AP US History class, and I will not be able to be with you for part of the review on Thursday, and so I am going to meet with you via this video right here. So welcome, hello, everybody wave back. Awesome. Can you try waving again? Very good. Make sure the volume is up. And I am going to walk through a set of videos with you that I've made to go over each of the 6 questions that'll be on the short answer test for Unit 2. And so if we scroll down to the first question, it is right here, question number 1. I'm going to make the font bigger. That looks like it's a good size. And I'm back. So the first question is, why did British policy towards its colonies change after victory in the French and Indian War? Why did British policy toward its colonies change after victory in the French and Indian War? And underneath here, I have listed a set of terms that would be excellent to put into a paragraph or more response on question number 1. Some terms to include: salutary neglect, Great Britain, France, Canada, territory, taxes, colonies, Treaty of Paris 1763, and the Proclamation Line of 1764. All would be good terms to include in a response to this. For example, salutary neglect is something that you will need to include in this response because it was that policy that was ended after the French and Indian War. No longer did Great Britain neglect or ignore its colonies because they started making them follow new rules like taxes and enforcing those taxes. They had taxes and a few rules before, but now they were actually going to be enforced. France was a big country because that lost control of Canada to Great Britain, and now Great Britain had a large and new country to rule in addition to its 13 colonies. There are plenty of new taxes. The Treaty of Paris ended the French and Indian War, not to be confused with the Treaty of Paris later on that ended the Revolutionary War, but the Treaty of Paris of 1763. Shortly after the war ended, there was the Proclamation Line of 1764, and this was meant to divide the British colonists from the Native Americans who kept on fighting after the French and Indian War was over. So all of those terms could go into an excellent response to this question. All right, so look over your notes, listen to this video again, but this could be a good response to question number 1. All right, see another question video for that review.